So today we're gonna be making the cold shower challenge. It's gonna be pretty awesome, I guess. It's gonna be pretty cold. And let's get started on this video. Okay. Perfect. You can see me here? Hi. So let's get started. Let's get started. Wait, I'm coming. Okay, perfect. Perfecto. Let's get started. One, two, three. Oh, it's freezing cold. Oh no, I didn't bring my. Okay, probably should bring it like that. So now I brought it, so I can give you a two. Now we're good. Freezing cold. Oh, guys, freezing. Oh. Okay, so I'll show you. This water is freezing cold. I'll show you so you can see glitter here. Okay. There's a lot of cosmetics. Okay. Now, to see me better. Freezing cold. Freezing cold. Okay guys, so that was freezing cold. That I shower challenge was freezing cold. I brought the pink one up. I'm so messed up. I should have brought the green one. Oh shit. This thing, I don't remember what was the name. It's freezing cold. Like, okay guys, you should try, you should be on, if you want, you should go and try this challenge. Okay, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and like the video. Bye.